Amazon A Plus content is one of the biggest conversion driver. We all know that. Every serious Amazon seller knows that. But when it comes to actually building it, majority fail. Despite of having good A Plus, there is something missing. What is that? Today in this video, I'm going to talk about your A Plus content strategy. That's the thing people mess up with. Alright, if you wanna know how to structure your A Plus content for maximum conversions, which module actually deserve a place on your listing, and how to guide customers from just looking to clicking the buy now button, this video is for you. The first question is, which one should you choose? Basic A Plus content or Premium A Plus content? In my opinion, Premium beats Basic. Here is why. Let me show you the difference with a real example. Take a look at this A Plus content. The first thing you will notice is how wide it is. It stretches across almost the entire page, giving the brand much more room to communicate its message. Now, let's compare that with a basic A Plus content example. See the difference? This layout is much more narrower. There are visible margins on both the left and right sides. So the content occupies less screen space. Now, from a technical standpoint, neither one is better, simply because it's wider. But Premium A Plus gives you more visual real estate. That extra space lets you include larger visuals, clear comparisons, and more information without making the design feel cramped. And here is why that matters. Most shoppers aren't carefully reading every bullet point on your listing. They are scanning. Their eyes land on images first, and within a second or two, they're already forming an opinion about your product. The more effectively your visuals communicate the value, the easier it becomes for shoppers to understand what you are selling. Now that you can clearly see the difference, let's jump into modules themselves. Alright, so go to the hamburger menu, then click Advertising. From here, select A Plus Content Manager. Next, click Start Creating A Plus Content. Here you will see three options: Basic A Plus Content, Premium A Plus Content, and Brand Story. We are going to talk about Premium A Plus Content, so click on it. Now you'll see 19 different Premium A Plus modules lies here. And you'll find modules like Comparison Chart, Images with Text, Image Carousel, Video, Q&A module, Hover Hotspot, Video Image Carousel. So there are plenty of options to explore. Now, if I switch over the Basic A Plus content, you'll find 17 modules in total, but most of them are built around images and text. That's pretty much it. Your options are showcasing your product are much more limited compared to Premium A Plus content. Anyway, let's get back to the Premium A Plus modules. Alright, you will notice there are three different comparison charts, and honestly, all three work well. But from what I have seen after reviewing hundreds of Amazon listings, the first and the third layouts are the ones brands use most often. Alright, next we have Premium Dual Image with Text. This module is more powerful than it looks. Here is why. The text inside these modules is crawlable. That means Amazon can actually read the text you add here. So instead of stuffing keywords into random places, smart sellers naturally include important keywords inside these sections to improve relevancy and support SEO. Right below that, you will find Premium 4 Image with Text. Personally, I see this one being used even more. It gives you more room to explain different features while keeping everything clean. And just like the previous module, the text here is also crawlable. So you can optimize it for search while still making it useful for shoppers. Let me show you a real example. See what they did here. Instead of adding plain text, they combined simple icons with short descriptions, and it looks clean. It communicates benefits quickly. And at the same time, they have naturally include important keywords that Amazon can understand. That's exactly how you should use this module. Next is Premium Full Image, where you have to add a full image of your product, or you can use a lifestyle images here. Now, the next module, this is where Premium A Plus really starts to separate itself. Premium Full Video. And honestly, this one is the biggest reason to upgrade to Premium A Plus, because images, you can already add those in Basic A Plus, but video, that's exclusive to Premium. Now, why is video so important? Because video holds attention longer. Instead of showing a product, you are showing an experience. Buyers can actually see how the product looks, how it works, and how someone uses it. Remember, online shoppers cannot touch your product. They can't pick it up, they can't taste it. So they rely on whatever gives them the closest thing to a real experience. And nothing does that better than video. It builds confidence, it answers silent questions, and the more confident shoppers feel, the easier it becomes for them to click buy now. Alright, so next are Premium Hotspot 1 and Premium Hotspot 2. Both are interactive, both look unique, and honestly, not many sellers take advantage of them. Here is how they work. When a shopper moves the cursor over different points on the images, extra information appears. Instead of overwhelming people with lots of text, you are letting them discover information naturally. It's clean, it's engaging, and it makes your listing feel more premium. Now let's look at the Premium Navigation Carousel. This is one of the modules you'll see most often. There are a few carousel variations available. We'll look at those in a moment, but this one definitely deserves a place on your shortlist. Right below that is the Premium Q&A module, and if you ask me, this is a must-have. Think about all the questions shoppers usually have before buying. Will this fit? How do I use it? Is it good for my situation? Instead of forcing shoppers to search through reviews or opening another tab, you answer those questions right here. Less confusion, less hesitation. And when people have fewer doubts, buying becomes much easier. Next is Premium Regimen Carousel. This works especially well if your product is part of a routine. For example, skincare, supplements, hair care, anything customers use together. When shoppers click each tab, the images change automatically and guide them through the routine. Alright, after that comes the Premium Simple Image Carousel. This is probably one of the most used modules. It's clean, easy to scroll, easy to understand, perfect for showing different features, product angles, or use case without making the page feel crowded. Next is Premium Single Image with Text. Personally, I don't use this one very often. Other modules usually communicate the same information in a much more engaging way. Then we have Premium Technical Specification. This one makes sense if you are selling product where specification actually matter, like electronics, tools, tech products. But if you are selling skincare, food, supplement, or lifestyle products, you probably won't get much value from it. Alright, so the Premium Text module comes next. And honestly, I would avoid filling your A+ with large block of text. People don't come here to read an article. They scan, they look for visuals. They want information that's quick to understand. After that is the Premium Video Image Carousel. Another strong option. You combine motion with images, making the content feel more dynamic without overwhelming the shopper. And finally, Premium Video with Text. Also a great choice. You can explain a feature while the product demonstrates it at the same time. That's much more convincing than text alone. So if you're wondering which premium modules you should prioritize, start with this. In your A+ content, you must have a comparison charts. You can add 4 images with text. Always try to add a full video, simple image carousel, navigation carousel, and Q&A module. It's a must. Those are the modules you will see again and again on high-performing Amazon listings, not because they look fancy, because they help shoppers understand the product faster. And when shoppers understand faster, they buy faster. Alright, now, knowing the module is one thing, using them in the right order, that's where conversions happen. Because A+ content isn't just a collection of nice images, it's a sales journey. Every module should answer one question before the shopper moves to the next one. Here is the structure we recommend at eComclips. Step number 1. Grab attention. First, start with a full white banner or premium full image. Your first module has one job. Make shoppers stop scrolling. Show your product, show the biggest benefit. Don't try to explain everything here, just create curiosity. Step number 2, explain the core benefits. Alright, so next, use 4 images with text. This is where you're explaining your biggest selling points. One feature, one benefit, one visual. And then repeat. Keep everything short because nobody reads paragraphs. Step number 3, build trust. Now shoppers are interested. The next question becomes, can I trust this product? This is where comparison charts work really well. Also, you can add a module where you can show certification, ingredients, materials, quality, warranty, anything that reduces doubt. Remember, people don't just buy because they understand. They buy because they feel confident. Step number 4, show the product in action. Now it's time for a video. This is where shoppers finally experience your product. Show someone using it. Show the result. Show how simple it is. If one short video answers 5 customer questions, that's far more powerful than 5 images. Step number 5, remove objections. Almost every shopper has questions before buying. Will this fit? Is it compatible? How do I use it? How long does it last? Instead of making them search through reviews, answer those questions using the Q&A module. The fewer doubts they have, the easier the purchase decision becomes. Step 6, finish strong. Finally, use a carousel module. Show different use cases, lifestyle images, product variation, accessories, or other products in your brand. The goal isn't just to sell one product, it's to increase confidence and increase average order value. So, the strategy is actually very simple. Don't choose modules because they look good. Choose modules based on the customer journey. Grab attention, explain value, build trust, show proof, remove objection, finish with confidence. That's how high converting A+ content is built. Now, if you're looking at your own listing and wondering where should each module go, or how do I design A+ content that actually converts, that's exactly what we do at eComclips. Our team studies your product, your competitors, your customers, and then builds premium A+ content that's designed around buyer psychology, not just good-looking graphics. From high converting layouts to compelling visuals to SEO-friendly copy, we handle the entire process. If you want your listing to stand out and convert more visitors into buyers, get in touch with us at info@ecomclips.com. We'll be happy to help you. Premium A+ content isn't about using every module Amazon gives you. It's about using the right modules in the right order for the right purpose. When every section answers the next customer question, buying becomes the natural next step. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to eComclips, and turn on notification because every week we share practical Amazon strategies that help sellers grow faster. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.